Metal furniture provides durability, strength, and easy maintenance. Its resistance to weather, versatility in design, and recyclability make it a practical and sustainable choice. Whether for indoor or outdoor settings, metal furniture offers longevity, stability, and aesthetic appeal, making it a popular option for various residential and commercial applications. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of metalworking project ideas you can consider making at home. So, watch the video until the end with these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Carrying out metalworking projects at home can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. Here are some advantages of engaging in metalworking projects in a home setting. Creativity and personal expression. Metalworking allows you to unleash your creativity and express your personal style. You have the freedom to design and create unique metal projects that reflect your aesthetic vision and preferences. Whether it's sculptural piece, decorative item, or functional objects, metalworking gives you the opportunity to bring your ideas to life. Skill development. Engaging in metalworking projects at home allows you to develop valuable skills. You can learn various metalworking techniques such as cutting, shaping, welding, soldering, and finishing. As you practice and refine your skills, you will gain a deeper understanding of metalworking processes and enhance your abilities as a craftsman. Cost savings. Undertaking metalworking projects at home can be cost-effective in the long run. Instead of purchasing pre-made metal items, you have the opportunity to create custom pieces at a fraction of the cost. By sourcing raw materials and tools, you can save money and have greater control over the quality and design of the final product. Customization and adaptability. Home metalworking projects allow for customization and adaptability. You can tailor your projects to suit your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're creating furniture, decorative accents, or functional fixtures, you can adjust the dimensions, finishes, and the style to perfectly fit your space and requirements. Practical and functional projects. Metalworking at home enables you to create practical and functional items that can enhance your daily life. You can design and build furniture, shelving, storage solutions, or household fixtures that are tailored to your specific needs. This empowers you to optimize your living space and create pieces that are both aesthetically pleasing and highly functional. Sense of accomplishment. Completing metalworking projects at home can provide a sense of accomplishment and pride. Seeing your ideas materialize into finished metal pieces can be immensely satisfying. Each project represents a tangible result of your creativity, skill, and dedication, which can boost your self-confidence and inspire you to take on more challenging projects in the future. Hobby and relaxation. Engaging in metalworking as a hobby offers a therapeutic and relaxing experience. Working with your hands, focusing on the creation process, and seeing your progress can provide a sense of calm and mindfulness. Metalworking can serve as an outlet for stress relief and a way to recharge your mind while engaging in a productive and fulfilling activity. Metal is inherently fire resistant, which is an important safety consideration for furniture. Unlike materials like wood or fabric, metal does not burn or contribute to the spread of fire. This makes metal furniture a preferred choice for commercial settings, public spaces, or areas where fire safety is a concern. Community and networking. Participating in metalworking projects at home can connect you with a vibrant community of metal enthusiasts. Online forums, social media groups, or local workshops provide opportunities to share your work, seek advice, and learn from others. Engaging with fellow metalworkers can expand your knowledge, inspire new ideas, and foster a sense of camaraderie. In summary, carrying out metalworking projects at home offers the advantage of creative expression, skill development, cost saving, customization, practicality, and a sense of accomplishment. Relaxing and community engagement. It allows you to explore your creativity, acquire new skills, and create unique metal pieces that add both beauty and functionality to your home environment. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked metalworking project ideas you can consider making at home. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you have enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.